Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I had a knock on the door the other day. When was it? What day is it? Monday. Sunday, yesterday. I had a knock on the door. Well, I had an email. Do you remember when I done that Mister Marinade stuff? Last week or the week before. It's in one of my videos, and he sent me an email and asked me, well, he says, thanks for reviewing the products, and then I had a knock on the door and he sent me some stuff. Now, I never asked for it. Mister Marinade, Paul, thank you so much, mate. And he said he's going to send me some more as well. So, I've got things to test over the next coming weeks. But anyway, let me show you what he's got, what he's sent me. I'm all kabobbled with it. I'm mad. Let me show you. Right, this is what he sent. Send loads of seasonings. He said he's got some more. He's going to send me some chicken, some curry ones and everything. That's going to be right interesting. So I've got a barbecue meat glaze, a garden mint, garlic butter, the one I've already got one of them. Chinese meat glaze, that sounds lovely. Chinese style salt and chili pepper, got one of them. Got a hot and spicy. Pepper steak, that sounds nice as well. A tandoori meat glaze as well. And he's also sent me one of them pizza base and sauce mixed combo. That looks really interesting, doesn't it? Looks really interesting. There's a lot of stuff in there. I think you can make your own dough. I'll be sure read on the back. And make some delicious pizzas. That looks nice. He's also sent me Kentucky Southern Fry Mix. That's going to be nice, isn't it? I know that's going to be nice. Proper Southern Fried, Kentucky Southern Fried Mix. That's going to be delicious. I know it is. And he's also sent me the Southern style gravy as well. Well, the KFC gravy, that's what I think it is anyway. So that's going to be brilliant. So what I thought I'd do, I would use today, this one, Chinese meat glaze, and I'm going to use it on some pork belly slices in the air fryer. Okay, so what I thought I would do, I've got 8 of them all together, so they're going to go in the air fryer. They need the stuff from Aldi, but I reckon these are going to be absolutely delicious. I'm going to get them all out. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, if you wonder where I've been, the lad's back from the army, so I haven't been on for a couple of days. Just spending a bit of time, that's all. Last time we'll see him now till Christmas. He goes back next Sunday, I think it is. He might have to go back Saturday, though, depending on how the trains are. But that's where I've been off. You come back Friday. So we've got 10 of them. I don't think we're going to have them in the air fryer. Going to pat them dry, give them a pat to get rid of that excess moisture on both sides. I'm not going to put no extra salt or anything on because we want to taste the marinade, don't we? That's what we want to do. And if it's anything like that chicken tikka one we had last week, that was absolutely delicious. But yeah, I couldn't believe he just knocked on the door and just sent it me. But wow. Thank you so much, Paul and Mister Marinade. Alright, let's have a look at this Chinese meat glaze then. Oops, where are we? There we are. Directions, yeah, simply coat and leave to marinate for 15 minutes. That's what it says. You want to see all the ingredients? There's somebody at the door. Somebody at the door. There's all the ingredients. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'll open it up. There it is, look. Oh, that smells. Oh, wow. Anyway, whoops, sorry. I'm going to put some in here, because I ain't got, when I rub it into my pork bellies, I ain't got to put none of my fingers in the tub, have I? And we will mix. Pour something on low, both sides, and we're going to leave it to marinate for 15 minutes then. Oh, this smells delicious. Oh. Nat, do you want to come and smell this? Sounds a bit rude, doesn't it? Nat. Can't hear me, I don't think. Turn them over. And we'll do this side. I'll do like a pork belly as well. Anyone else like a pork belly? Gone a bit expensive now, up Aldi then, have they? I think they're £3.50 now or something. It's like £2.50 or something, didn't they? No, I'll get some nice takeaways with this lot, I know that much. Definitely. The smell, honestly, if you could smell it. Oh. Let's get the rest on, mightn't we? And I'll get all the mix together, see if we can get loads of this up off here. Get it coated. And then we'll leave all this now to marinade for 15 minutes. So guys, there they are ready now. You can see the marinade on them, look, see it all changing look. Oh, I'm well looking forward to these. I've got the air fryer warming up, it's just warmed up now, let's get them in. I don't know how many I'll get in, but we're going to find out. Oh, look at that sizzle. Leave a little gap. Oh. I won't get all 10 in, I know that. But I'll just put the other ones in the fridge and let them marinate, carry on marinating, that's what I'll do. Not a problem. And there's 3 left. Right, that's them. Looking delicious. And I'm also going to be doing some of that I do like. I'm going to be doing some of them curly fries. I do like them. I think they're quite nice. So they're going to go in the air fryer as well. You've probably had them before, ain't you? There's them curly fries. I think they're £1.40 or something now. I think something like that. Well, they are quite nice once they're crisp up. Couple more. And we'll get them in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. They should be done now. Oh yes, oh yes. Right, I'm going to dish them up. Oh, look at them. I'll show you. Get the edge. Look at them beauties. Let's get some on each plate. Oh. Oh. Bring you around these, you can see the plate. Oh, and there's a spare one there. Who should have that? I reckon I should. To be greedy. And now we will get the curly fries out, which I do quite like. And that at the door, I've had another parcel. I haven't opened it yet. I think it's off Mister Marinade again. So I'll probably open it when I'm up the table now. And we will have a look. So, there we go then. What do we think? I think that looks absolutely delicious. You probably can't see it properly. But what do we say? It's all in the taste, ain't it? So, let's get up the table and taste it. So, what do we think altogether? I think it looks absolutely delicious. And it smells gorgeous, doesn't it, Bab?
It smells really nice.
Really nice. I'm going to definitely try a bit now. I'm saying that door, I don't know if I did say, I think I did. I think it's the parcel there, I think there's from Mister Marinade again. That's why Nat never comes when I shouted there, because she was taking the labels off. I shouted you.
I didn't need that was barking.
Oh yeah. Got some sweet chilli to dip. I've got some sweet chilli.
Okay.
Oh, that smells gorgeous and it tastes divine. Put your salt on them. What do you think, sweetheart?
Another trolley.
Bit of mayo on me old.
I like that. Nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's really nice. Yeah.
Really, really nice.
That's nice. I like it on these.
Tastes nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it tastes really nice. It's delicious.
Thank you so much, Mister Marinade. Thank you so much. Let's see what else I've got. I think it's off him. We'll have a look anyway. I'll open it before. I haven't opened it yet. The Spice Miller's Panko Lemon Pepper Air Fryer or Oven Premium Seasonings Crumb.
Wow.
Okay. God, he sent me some stuff, isn't he? I didn't even know. Honestly, I didn't even know. Another box. Let's open this. That's all what you got. Just want to make sure there's no labels in here with me address on, that's all. No. We've got Chinese barbecue instant sauce and marinade, a sweet and savoury oriental marinade. Wow. Smoky barbecue instant sauce. Oh my god, look at the size of these. Another spicy panko chili and garlic.
I can't wait to try something.
Yeah, no me. No me.
You better get cooking.
And a panko tomato and herb. Oh my god, look at all this you sent me.
Oh no, best time it's really cold.
Onion bhaji and pakora mix.
Oh.
Takeaway, look.
Oh yes.
Perfect for the takeaway night. Look. It's nice, isn't it? Definitely been watching my videos. Thank you so much, Mister Marinade. Thank you so much, Paul, and all your workers and everybody. Thank you so much.
That's
wow.
Fine, that is.
Yeah, I'm going to leave a link to his channel, to his Amazon. That's the least I can do, innit? Wow. Absolutely wow. What am I going to do with all this?
Let's get cooking.
Yeah, Paul, thank you so much, Mr. Marinade. Thank you so much. Yeah, as I say, and this is delicious. It was like tandoori chicken we done last week. No, the chicken tikka.
Oh, that was so
takeaway. It was delicious, wasn't it? It was probably the best one I'd ever tasted. And that was, is it the best, but it was really, really good, wasn't it?
I like the time before that when you used, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm getting all mixed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last week was when I done my own.
Oh yeah, you did your own, didn't you?
And it was, because you like tikka anyway, and I said it's better than a Chinese, an Indian, and you said, oh, she wasn't sure, but I think it is. And these are delicious.
These are really nice.
Really nice, aren't they?
Oh yeah, eat loads of these. This is nice.
There's another 3 or 4 over there. Which I've got to cook up in a second when I finish the video. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat it. I don't know if I told you. I had a couple of days off because the lad was back. Right for a vlog tomorrow. Somebody's birthday. So I said I'll go out and I'll take a shopping. Then probably go and get a bite to eat somewhere. That's what we'll do tomorrow. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. This is delicious. Mr. Marinade, thank you so much. And I'll put, every time I use one, I'll put a link in your channel. Just, that's the least I can do. Thank you so much all. Bye-bye.